Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to SkyMind Vision, a cutting-edge solution developed to revolutionize object detection using drone imagery, developed by our lab, LMP3. In today's rapidly changing world, the need for advanced monitoring techniques has never been more critical, particularly in fields such as environmental conservation and management. Traditional methods often struggle to keep pace with the dynamic nature of our ecosystems. One of the primary challenges in object detection lies in capturing and processing data effectively, especially in vast and complex environments like the ocean. While drones offer a promising solution, the sheer volume of imagery they generate presents a significant obstacle. Enter SkyMind Vision, a groundbreaking solution developed in collaboration with Marinov. Our goal was to create a system capable of detecting and tracking objects in real-time drone imagery with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. So, how does SkyMind Vision achieve this? It starts with the acquisition of high-resolution imagery using drones equipped with advanced cameras. These images are then processed using state-of-the-art deep learning algorithms, which analyze the data to identify and classify objects of interest. Our collaboration with Marinov provided an excellent opportunity to put SkyMind Vision to the test. Together, we applied the solution to detect and track whales in their natural habitat. The results were nothing short of remarkable, as SkyMind Vision's algorithm demonstrated the ability to detect whales even in conditions where it seemed impossible to the naked eye. This level of precision opens up new avenues for marine conservation and management, offering real-time insights into whale populations and their behaviors, which can inform proactive conservation measures and help safeguard marine ecosystems. Our user interface offers seamless interaction with your drones in real time, providing the flexibility to import or utilize previously recorded video footage. Whether you're monitoring live streams or reviewing past recordings, the process is intuitive and efficient. Experience minimal latency in live streams by navigating to the Live section and selecting your preferred source. Additionally, the Records section enables easy access to recorded videos for detection purposes, allowing you to select the desired video and model with just a few clicks. In the Train section, creating custom AI models is simplified. Whether you're providing annotated datasets or your own model, SkyMind Vision handles the complexities, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. With SkyMind Vision, empowering your drone operations and object detection tasks has never been more accessible. Looking ahead, we see endless possibilities for SkyMind Vision. Beyond marine monitoring, our solution has the potential to revolutionize various fields, including wildlife conservation, disaster response, and infrastructure monitoring. As technology continues to advance, so too will the capabilities of SkyMind Vision. If you're interested in exploring potential collaborations or learning more about how SkyMind Vision can benefit your operations, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're excited to discuss how we can work together to harness the power of AI and drone technology for your needs.